First po sa lapang. Shot lock 10. Polonas, nice move to Corpez. Back to one pass. Ganda. Ilog ni Itak to Limperas. Limperas na natutin. Paitambit giga niya. Polonas pull up jumper. Nice Divines. Mabawi wala. Oops. Grabe rebound dyan oy. Okay, Limperas now controlling the ball of team play. Usol, ikomot ang bola. Usol to Limperas. Shot clock 10. Shot clock 5. Pandara itong kompresor. Number 94. Fires for 3. Bang! 3! Columnas na nagmamadali. The Chris Paul of 3. Nice pass to Corpez. Ay! Two-strong na tira ni Corpez na kuha ni Columnas kick out pass to number 14. No good. Rebounded. Nakuha. Last touch. Wide. Shot clock 14. 7 minutes and 21 seconds left. Columnas to number 14. He fires 2 points. Play with 7 minutes left for the second quarter. Limperas. Shot clock 14. Usol atake. Block by number 14. Shot clock rebounded by Lofranco. Lofranco now. Lofranco number 3. Pinasa kay number 14. Pull up J again. 2 points. Rugay. Shot clock 10. Rebounded. Nakuha ni Sarpamones. Lastro. Wala. Rebounded. Nakuha ni Hugoy. Okay now. Number 24 fires, pabanda. Nimentes na. Okay, 2 points. Nakalansay. Si 2 points. Lofranco to Idol. Wala. Nakuha na number 14. Turnaround shot. Kalansa for 3. Wala. Nakuha ni pasa kay Corpez. Corpez now to Stephen Curry. Pinasa kay number 14. Ay, wala. Agwang buko number 24. Tisolio. Again for the second try. Pasok. 2 points. Tisolio. Corpez to number 24. Busol at the middle, wala. Oops. Last touch to number 14. 3. No good. Hukoy for the rebound. And stolen by Limperas. To Galanza. He fires at the corner. 2 points. Galanza. 35-29. Lumang labaw sa team play. Corpez atake. Kick out pass to Idol. Step back to. Wala. Itak to Limperas. Limperas nagmamadali. Ay. Wala. Nakuha ni Columnas to Corpez for 3. Wala. Rebounded. Ay. Nakuha ni Ibanez to Itak. To Limperas lays it up. Sure. Rebounded by Corpez. Corpez now controlling the ball. Corpez nakita ka sa ating Idol number 24. Number 24 running shot. Pasok ang PS. Nakuha ni Columnas. Columnas now Columnas pa rin. Pasa kay Idol. Columnas. Idol. Bang! 2 points. 50 seconds left. Corpez, wala intact pa rin ang rebound. Wala din na naman ni Columnas to. Idol. Pinaway. Pinakobe, wala. 1 minute 25 seconds left. Remperas, aliyo play ito kalansa. Nakuha ni Remperas, Column J. 2 points, Remperas.
Ay, namalik.
Ay, nagana namin nanood. Mga bago na eh. Arga. Oy! Ay! Patay na. Backcourt supply. Remperas. For 3. 3 points. Remperas. Ganado kayo. Naigatanaw. 1 point. There's a whistle. Last throw. 1 point. For 3. Sobra. Na-practice mo gani? Alalo Blanco. Wow! 20 seconds left. 15. Remperas for 3. 10 seconds left. Lo Blanco, 2 points, 5 seconds left.